Alright, Luis, we're going to take you for one loop around the parking lot. Here's one of the buildings. This is building 4, so we started from the very back of the parking lot. See all the spaces over here, etc., etc. There's another unit. So this is the first building. Here's the entranceway over here. On the street, there's some signage on the street. I can't quite see it. And then signage on the buildings. Doesn't really matter. And again, there's kind of a little courtyard area. And these guys here. And there's our building there, or the one for sale. Here's kind of where we started. There she is. I didn't get really a lot of the inside, but